Hello students, welcome to class 9 physics, and in chapter motion we are discussing the derivations of equations of motion by graphical method, and today we will derive the third equation of motion by velocity time graph. As you know guys, the third equation of motion is v square minus u square is equal to 2as, and this is a relation between v final velocity, u initial velocity, a acceleration, and s distance traveled. And also, okay guys, to derive this equation we will use the velocity time graph as similar as the first and second equation of motion. And you know that this graph showing that the object is moving with uniformly acceleration, and this graph is also shows that the object is moving on a straight line or in one dimension plane. So guys, as we know that this is the velocity, starting velocity u, an object initially moving with the velocity u, and after time t its velocity is v. So the common points are initially it's a and finally it's b. After joining the line a to b, we got a velocity time graph. And to find out the distance traveled, we have to find out the area of this region which is just below this velocity time graph or this straight line AB. So by finding the area of this region, or we can say that this is a trapezium, so by finding the area of this trapezium we can find out the value of displacement or the magnitude of distance traveled. And this is the motion which we count in time interval t. So now for distance traveled, by the body in time interval t is given as the area under velocity time graph, that is AB. And we can see that under this line AB we got a region that is a trapezium, so it is equal to area of trapezium. Trapezium is this is OABD. Okay guys, in this figure, okay, now we know that area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides multiplying by distance between the sides, or we can say height. So in the figure, these two are the parallel sides OA and DB. OA plus DB, and the height between these two sides, or the distance between these two sides, is AC or OD. So we can write that both are equal, so we can write OD. Now place the values. OA is U, and DB is just similar as this V, O to this point, so this is V multiplied by this is T. And guys, as we can see, the time does not belong to the third equation motion, so we have to eliminate this t, and we will eliminate this by using of first equation of motion. And distance traveled, it can be represented by capital S. So guys, we have from first equation of motion, V is equal to U plus AT. from this expression we can find out the value of t, which could be t is equal to v minus u over a. So we will place the value of t from here. So placing this value of t in above expression. So we can find out the distance traveled s is equal to half into u plus v, multiply in place of t we will write v minus u upon a. So we can write this 2 and a, 2a. This is we can write this v plus u or v, and v minus u. So it is now a plus b minus b. It changes into a square minus v square over 2a. So do cross multiplication, we get 2a s is equal to v square minus u square. So guys, this is the third equation of motion.